Texas until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:38 p.m. Central Standard Time, the thunderstorm was located in or 7 miles west of Ryan, 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs. Locations in Texas include Keller, Ethel, Bryant, Eagle Mountain, Pecan Acres, Justin, Reno, Springtown, Northlake, Pelican Bay, Haslett, New Fairview, Aurora, Boyd, Cottondale, Rome, Newark, and Sanctuary. This includes Interstate 35W between mile marker 62 and 70. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately.